These are the directions on how to complete the opener and get full credit. So first is you have to start the opener the minute the bell rings. So you actually have 5 minutes to complete the opener start to finish. So there's going to be a timer on the side TV screen that's going to help you keep track of your time to make sure you complete the assignment on time. So the first thing you do is when you come in the door, you want to make sure you grab your folder that's going to be on the marble countertop. Then you want to come over, turn on your laptop. Remember, every day you need to have your composition notebook, so don't lose credit by leaving that in your locker. Make sure you have that every day. You also be taking home your composition notebook, so every day take home your laptop and take home your composition notebook. And then remember, you need to have your pens and pencils and highlighters, so make sure you bring that with you to class. So you have your materials, and then once your computer turns on, you're going to go to OneNote. And when you go to OneNote, you're going to go to Opener. So under Opener, you're going to look for so if I click over to Opener, do you see it's the first tab? And then I'm going to, on the right side, you see there are weeks. I'm going to click on the right week. Today is the 4th, so that is week 2. And here is, and let's pretend it's Monday. So under week 2, I'm going to go to the day it is, and I'm going to answer these 6 questions. So question 1, write down today's goal. So on the board will be the goal for the day, and I'm going to copy this down. So just I can paraphrase it or copy it word for word. It won't be very long, so I'll just write down today's goal, learn about early humans. And then today's agenda, that will also be on the board, so I'll copy down what's on the board. Usually it's on the front board. If there's no room in the front, look on the back of the back board. And I'll write down today's agenda. Let's pretend it's over quiz. And then see review clip and work on simulation. I'm just making this up, but your agenda will be on the board. Then number 3, hi since our last class. This is where you write anything that was a positive thing in you since we've last met. So in the last 24 hours, something good. Could be something at school, could be something at home, could be like watched a great TV show, could be ate a great lunch, got an A on my math quiz, something that simple. And then a low in the last 24 hours. This is something that kind of a low part of your day, and this could be just a start of, woke up early, or fell at PE, or still hungry, confused about one note. So whatever your low is. Number 5 is, do you have any questions or requests? This is where if you have any requests for the class, that could be Mr. Chang, please speak slower, or remember, keep it polite, but then or it could be just if you don't have anything for number 5, you can leave it blank. That's the only question you can leave blank. So so 1 you have to answer, you put down, copy down today's goal on the board. Number 2, copy down the agenda. Number 3, put down a high. Number 4, a low in the last 24 hours. 5, if you have a question or request. Number 6, the final part, you go online to Edmodo. So there's a link here that takes you to Edmodo, takes you to our class website. That will take you to Edmodo, but it's probably faster. Under number 6, just go straight to Edmodo. Log in. Now, if you forgot your login, you can click forget, and that will send you a link to your email. You can have your browser remember the password. And then you look for today's posting from Mr. Chang. So look for my face and look for the posting for today, and then click reply. So if I zoom in, you want to click reply down here. What you do not want to do is post it as a new note. A new note is for when you're posting a new announcement for the class, like you have a question about the homework or something else. But for our openers, you want to look for what I posted, follow the instructions, and then click reply, and then submit the reply there. And you see here, there is 15 seconds left, so that was about 5 minutes. So you want to make sure you do that all those steps within 5 minutes.